Hi, my name is Dr. Jacque Stahl. I work at Town & Country Animal Hospital in Fairfax, Virginia. And today we're going to talk about cancer in dogs and cats. Unfortunately, many of our older canine and feline patients are diagnosed with cancer. Anything from lumps and bumps on the skin to bumps in the mouth to cancer in their internal organs. The types of cancers we often encounter in our dog species are bone cancers, skin cancers and cancers right under the skin, liver and spleen cancers, and oral cancers. Another type of cancer we often see in older female dogs is mammary gland carcinoma. This is almost eliminated if we spay early before the first heat cycle. If the patient is unspayed or was spayed late, the risk of mammary gland carcinoma increases significantly. Unfortunately, we don't know everything about what causes cancer. There are certain types of cancers that tend to be seen in certain species, like hemangiosarcomas in German Shepherd dogs, or osteosarcomas in Bernese Mountain dogs, things of that nature. When your pet has cancer, often there aren't any signs initially, and that's why it's so hard to diagnose. If you feel a lump or a bump under your pet's skin, be sure to mark where it was that you felt it and then make an appointment with your veterinarian to further assess what's going on. But often there aren't any symptoms initially. Some symptoms of later stage cancer can include not eating well, being lethargic or sleepy, not wanting to run around or exercise as much, sometimes vomiting and diarrhea, and sometimes weight loss. During a routine exam, we're always looking for and asking about any signs or symptoms that are abnormal in your pet. If we find something abnormal during the physical exam, then we would want to follow up with some diagnostics specific to that abnormality. If your pet is diagnosed with cancer, please sit down with your vet and ask any questions you might have. There are many different treatment options, palliative options, referral to oncology options, everything. So just sit down, we can answer all your questions. So depending on what type of cancer your pet is diagnosed with, we may want to refer you to a specialist because there are certain treatment options that we can't perform in general practice, but we can perform surgery to hopefully remove and cure your pet of certain types of cancers. We can offer many different treatment options here at the clinic as well. While getting a cancer diagnosis for your pet can often be really scary, if caught early, often during a routine physical exam, we can greatly increase the chance of a positive outcome. Treatment is not as scary as people think it is. Our pets are not going to lose their hair. The goal is to not have them feel sick, be vomiting, not eating, all of the things that we associate with chemotherapy, radiation treatments in humans. The goal is to keep them happy, as healthy as possible, and feeling as good as possible. Routine annual exams and diagnostics are the most important thing you can do for the health of your pet. We often can diagnose things because we see the trends year after year, and if we start to see some weight loss happening, if we start to see some organ values going up on our blood work, then we get suspicious and we follow up with more tests. Thank you for watching this short video on cancer in pets. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, check us out online, or schedule an appointment with your veterinarian.